Everybody, welcome to the another lecture of mathematics class 10 series. In this video we are going to cover the remaining part of the lecture 1, and it's the second part of the lecture 1. In this lecture we are try to solve some question of section E and some question of another section, and the main question which is asked in the section E, the basic proportionality theorem, is going to be solve in the next lecture. So in this lecture, the question number 47, that means the part of basic proportionality theorem, is not the part of this video. That video should be available in the lecture number 2. Start this question. The question number 48. To find the coordinate of the point A where AB is the diameter of circle is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. First of all, one thing is given in the question. There is one thing, that is circle. That means in this question the circle is definitely to be going. So first of all, if the circle is given in this question, so firstly we draw a circle like this, as you can saw in your screens. Okay, and here one more information is given in this question. AB is the diameter of the circle. Let us this point is our A, and let us suppose that this point is our B. Okay, then this line will be our diameter. As we can all know that this is like a circle, this is our diameter, and half of this is our radius. Okay, as you can know. So AB is a radius according to the given statement. ठीक है जी. mm, and uh, AB and circle center is 2 कॉमा माइनस 3. एक कोई सर्कल में भी सर्कल की कोई सेंटर पे भी है हमारे पास, इसमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, तो वी कैन गिव द नेम इज ओ. तो सेंटर पॉइंट को हमने नेम दे दिया है ओ. ठीक है. सो हमारे पास क्या दिया है, हमारे पास फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द ए, मींस ए जो हमारे पास इस क्वेश्चन में ए पॉइंट है वो हमारे पास गिवन नहीं है, वो हमारे को क्या करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, और हमारे पास बोला है ए बी इज द डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल, सेंटर इज 2 कॉमा माइनस 3, मीन्स दिस इज अवर 2 कॉमा माइनस 3. ओके, this is our 2 comma minus 3, and b is given 1 comma 1 comma 4 b, and a is हमारे को क्या करना है, फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. जो सेंटर है हमारे पास o, वो कितना दे रखा है, जो सेंटर o है वो दे रखा है 2 comma minus 3, and the b point is given 1 comma 4. okay, so हमारे पास ए पे क्या होंगे, कुछ कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे जैसे x1 y1. ओके, एंड बी पे भी कोई कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे हमारे पास, जैसे कि x2 कॉमा y2, एंड जो हमारे सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल्स होते हैं वो होते हैं हमारे पास x कॉमा y. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स here x is not given, y is not given. Okay, so the a coordinates of the a, means x1 and y1 is to be find out. Means if we want to find a, y1 and x1 is also need to find. If we know the value of y1 and x1 and the value of the a, the coordinates of the point a will be defined, because the coordinate of the a is x, y1 and x1. Okay, and where x is given, it's 2, y is given, it's 3, and b's coordinate x2 is given is 1, and y2 is given is like this. Okay, so the formula, we can know the formula, x is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and another formula is y is equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, so formula is x is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and for finding the y1 and y2, we know the values as I told you, but for more I will elaborate more. Okay, as we can saw, the our x1 is not find, okay, comma, and x2 is uh, what is the value of x2? x2 is our 1, okay, but x is given, x is also given, x is our 2, and then y is our -3, but the value of x1 is not given, okay, and x2 will be given also, sorry, y2 is given, is 4. So as we can see, we have the value of x but not x2, but x2 value we have, and y value we have, y2 we value have. So from these two formulas, from here we can find the value of x1, and from here we can know the value of our y1. Okay, so if we have the value of x1 and y1, so according to that, we have find our coordinates of the a, because x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the a. Okay, so for x is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Okay, so what the value of x? So our x is given, so the value of x is 2, okay, is equals to, and the value of x1 is not given, plus, and then the value of x2 is our 1, and divided by 2. Okay, and for this we can find the value of x1, because from here 2 to 4, because this going to the multiply with this, so we got 4, 4 minus 1, so the x1 is equals to 3. Okay, we have the value of x1 from here 3, and after that, from going to find the y1, so y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. From here we have y, the value of y is -3, is equals to y1 plus the value of y2 is equals to 4 and 2. From here we have -6 minus 4 is equals to y1, so the value of y1 we have from here is -10. So the coordinates of to find here, जो हमारे को आंसर्स चाहिए थे वो हमने यहाँ पे डिफाइन कर लिए हैं. सो द आंसर इज ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स जो हमारे पास थे वो थे हमारे पास क्या, x1 और y1. सो द वैल्यू, तो आंसर हमारे पास क्या आया, a इज इक्वल्स टू 3 -10. So this is the answer of this question, and further moving to the another question, this will be. So the question number 34 is the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So according to this question, first of all, we think the one thing is clear, there is a circle in this also, and the circumference of a circle is 22 centimeter, means this is our going to be circle having the 90-degree. Okay, so this is our radius of the circle. Okay, so circumference of a circle is given, this question is 22 centimeter. As we can know, the formula of a circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, so is equals to 22, because circumference का हम of a circle का हमने फॉर्मूला लिख लिया, वो किसके इक्वल था, हमारे 22 के, according to this. Okay, so from here we can find the value of r, and we can know the value of pi. So the pi is 22 by 7, or we can use 3.14 also. Okay, 3.14. Okay, so put the value of these here. We can note 2 can be written as it is, 2 multiply by pi value we going to take here 22 by 7 into r will be equals to 22. Okay, so from here we can find the value of r. So r will be going is equals to 22 multiply by sorry, so from here we going to r is equals to 22 divided by 2 multiple with 7 and divided by 22. So this will be over. From here we have radius 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, from here radius will be 7.2 centimeters. Okay, otherwise we can write this will be 3.5 centimeter as well as. So from here we find the value of r. So the area of a quadrant of circle is our 90 divided by 360. Okay, 360 multiple with pi r square. Okay, so the pi r square. From we know the value of r and pi as also. So from here going to 90 divided by 360 multiply with 22 by 7 into 7 divided by 2 multiply with 7 divided by 2, or we can write this thing will be 7 divided by 2 the whole square. Okay, if we open the 7 by 2 whole square, we can also write this like this. Okay, so from here we can see easily 1 and 4, this one and this will be going to cut, and one and this will also going to be cut. Okay, so from here we have find the value is 77 divided by 4 centimeter square. So the area of a quadrant of a circle is 77 by 4. So area of a quadrant of a circle is 77 by 4, or we can write the 77 divided by 4 in 19.25 also. Okay, so this will be our going answer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you understood some lot of good information from this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video, and also comment your doubt in the comment section. I will improve and solve some important questions that will be the part of your syllabus. Thank you so much for watching.